Hello guys, this is an important video to watch if you are thinking of purchasing the LifeVac choking rescue device for kids and adults. I have had this in my home since I learned about it a few years ago. I had recently had my first child. I decided I needed to have one in my home. Thankfully, I've never had to use this before, but I do want to come on here and make a video to make some pointers about what you should do once you receive your LifeVac choking rescue device. If you ever need to use it, you want to be prepared and not just be faced with a package of materials that you've never seen before and have never practiced with. Here's what's all in the kit. So you've got an information page, which gives you all of the indications for use. It's really important that you read over all of this. There's just general choking prevention tips on this sheet here. The instructions for use, which are called out really obviously with this yellow rimmed sheet here. I'm not going to go over how to use this because this is something that every adult in your home, and even the kids, if they're old enough to potentially administer this either to themselves or to others, should read through, should understand how to use, and watch some videos too while you're at it. It comes with a practice mask. I've taken the practice mask out of the plastic bag it comes in. The others I'm leaving sealed. Here I've got the adult mask that is still sealed in its package, and those rip open very easily should you need to use them. And here's the pediatric mask. And of course, here is the pump. The important thing to note with this is that this is different from the Heimlich. Whereas in the Heimlich, you're going to apply quick downward compressions. It's actually the opposite with the LifeVac. Say this is on someone's mouth, covering their mouth, and placement you'll learn about in the instructions. You're not going to push down really quickly and compress down as you would with the Heimlich maneuver. You'll actually push it down firmly but gently, and then it's the upward suction motion that you're going to do rapidly. So slowly down, and then with that sort of short, swift upward pull. Again, this is not the official instructions, and I am not an official instructor of how to use this. You should absolutely be reading every word that comes on the documentation within this before you put it away in your closet or cupboard. And another tip is put it somewhere that's easy to get to, where everyone can reach it, and make sure that everyone in the home knows where it's located so that you can yell out, go get it, and everyone knows right where to go. I am convinced that every home should have one, and I hope that this was helpful.